What's up, everybody? So, check this out. My YouTube channel kind of went viral a little bit. So, let's see what's going on. So, check this out. You click in here, and it shows me some stats, and it tells me that one of the videos is kind of, taken off, one of my older videos. And let's see what happened. So, basically, I uploaded that video in 2015, and check this out. These are my views in 2019. I mean, I'm getting like 300 views a day. And then I start getting little bumps when I start uploading videos consistently. So let's go to April. So check this out. Check out my views in April. So I had 24,000 views, 58,000 watch time, and I gained 323 subscribers. And and then I had a little break in here. I didn't upload for like 5 days because I went fishing. So let's do May. Look at the difference, 361,000 views, 1,200 subscribers. This is crazy. Look at that. So this is me uploading, just kind of uploading, and then it just took off. Look at this thing. Look at this. Yesterday, 56,000 views. So let's break this down. Subscribers. Look, day one subscriber, and it goes five. Look at that, four, and it kind of one, and look at that, and then it just started to blow up. Check this out. Bam! Look at that. So let's look at some real time. And I mean, this is nothing. I'm barely making anything in here. I'm making way more money on eBay. So check this out. That's pretty good. 625%. That's awesome. Let's see what I'm reaching actually. Look at that. I'm reaching 1.4 million people actually seen my videos, but only 15.9% of people clicking on them. The thing is, that video, I don't want to touch it. I just left it the way it is. I don't want to change any keywords. I don't want to change anything because what if I change something and it's going to completely crash it, you know? I just got to ride this wave till it dies. So what I did was it's one of the gummy bear videos that I did like 4 years ago with my daughter, and I uploaded it once. People complained about it. eBay took it down, and then they told me that I can re-upload it, but the momentum wasn't there. Till 4 years later, it took off again. So once something takes off, you gotta ride that wave all the way home, baby. So let's see what's going on. So what I did was, once I noticed that my video started to take off, uh, I actually switched my logo to Gummy Bear because I noticed literally this is me before Gummy Bears. Let me show you. This is me with my original logo. I was getting like what is it, like 50 subscribers, and then like 4 days ago I switched it and it went over 100. So logo means a lot. People click on it. And then I start putting my first video, the latest video and the newest video. And I did it for a while like this, and then I'm like, you know what? Let's just throw in, instead of putting a video, let's throw in a playlist. And seems like I'm doing better with a playlist. And let's see what else is going on. So this is basically how my video got viral and what am I doing about it to completely use 100% of that video. So what else? Okay, let's look at the stats right now. I just uploaded an hour ago, and 50, 52, what is it? 352. It's 352 right now, and I already had, what is it? 1,600 views today. On my new video, I just uploaded it 40 minutes ago. I already had 233 views on it. And look at the views my video's been getting, like the new ones. 8,000, 6,000. That's crazy. I'm kind of getting a track in here. So the trick is, I think, once you start, once the wave hits you, or if it's once it's your lucky day, you've been chosen by YouTube. You just gotta write it. I'm not touching anything in that video, not a single keyword. I'm just gonna see what's going on, and I'm trying to make as much similar content as possible. And if you like this video and it was educational, please subscribe, share, like, and comment. Please comment below, because I noticed once people start sharing and commenting, that's when I get more traffic going. So thank you so much, and I'm gonna end this right now. If you have any other questions, I will be making more video on what's going on in this process, because there's a lot that I uh, I missed. I just put my headphones on and I would just turn on the recorder, and pretty much that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just pulling this out of my butt. So thank you so much. Goodbye.